Barbara O'Neill reveals how to balance female hormones with Anna's Wild Yam Cream.
And it's often the missing link into why people are not getting well. I've heard of people say, I had breast cancer, tried the natural way and it just didn't work. I had ovarian cancer, tried the natural way and it didn't work. I'm always intrigued as to what this natural way is. Because yes, definitely we need water, we need exercise, we need early nights, we need nourishing food. That's all fairly common sense, isn't it? But what I'm about to tell you today is the missing link into why those two ladies didn't heal. In fact, why many didn't heal.
Balancing female hormones can often feel like solving a complicated puzzle. But Barbara O'Neill, a renowned expert in natural healing, offers a simple and effective solution. In this video, we delve into her insights on harnessing the power of Anna's Wild Yam Cream, a natural remedy celebrated for its ability to support hormonal health. Whether you're navigating hormonal imbalances, dealing with PMS, menopause, or simply seeking a natural way to enhance your well-being, O'Neill explains how this cream can play a pivotal role. Stick around to learn how Anna's Wild Yam Cream could be the key to restoring harmony in your hormones naturally and effectively. With a wealth of expertise in natural health, Barbara O'Neill has guided countless women toward restoring hormonal balance, alleviating imbalance-related symptoms, and revitalizing their energy. Hormonal well-being is a cornerstone of women's health. It influences everything from mood and energy levels to metabolism and reproductive health. Unfortunately, many women experience hormone imbalances without realizing it, leading to exhaustion, unwanted weight gain, and even long-term health challenges. But what if there is a natural, non-invasive way to reset your hormones and reclaim your vitality? In this video, we'll explore Barbara O'Neill's 14-day hormonal reset program, packed with simple, effective strategies to help you achieve balance and enhance your well-being, starting now. Imagine a woman's monthly cycle as a fine-tuned orchestra, where each hormone plays its part in perfect harmony. The symphony begins on day 1, the first day of menstruation, when both estrogen and progesterone hit their lowest notes. As the days progress, estrogen steadily crescendos, reaching its peak around day 11 and taking the spotlight by day 14 to prepare the body for ovulation, setting the stage for a potential pregnancy. After this, progesterone, often called the feel-good hormone, takes the lead in the second half of the cycle, helping to maintain emotional balance and physical stability. However, if this delicate rhythm is disrupted by factors like stress, poor nutrition, or exposure to toxins, the entire composition can fall out of sync, resulting in irregular cycles, mood shifts, and other challenges. Understanding this intricate process empowers women to identify imbalances and restore harmony to their hormonal orchestra. Grasping the cyclical hormonal shifts of the monthly cycle provides a clear lens to see how these hormones work together with the reproductive system to sustain balance and fertility. Let's explore the remarkable structure of the female reproductive system. Visualize the uterus as the central hub, linked to the ovaries by the fallopian tubes, where tiny eggs patiently await their moment to shine. The cervix serves as the gateway, opening into the birth canal. Every month, this intricate system operates under the direction of hormonal signals. Estrogen, a key hormone, takes the lead in preparing the uterus by thickening its lining, creating a nourishing cushion for a potential embryo. Simultaneously, it assists in egg development within the ovaries and facilitates the release of natural lubrication in the birth canal. By the midpoint of the monthly cycle, around day 14, the body reaches a pivotal moment. A mature egg is released from the ovary in a process called ovulation, and the fallopian tube gently catches and guides it on its journey. Meanwhile, the ovary creates the corpus luteum, a temporary structure that becomes the primary producer of progesterone. This crucial hormone complements estrogen, supporting the latter half of the cycle. Progesterone prepares the uterus for a potential pregnancy, enhances mood, and even heightens intimacy. At the same time, the cervix secretes a specialized mucus that aids sperm in reaching the egg, creating optimal conditions for conception. This intricate system operates like a well-coordinated orchestra, with each organ and hormone performing a vital role. When this delicate harmony is disrupted, it can lead to hormonal imbalances that impact both overall health and fertility. Once we understand how hormones affect the reproductive organs, it's important to look at how things like birth control pills and hormone therapy can change this balance.
When the woman takes the pill, it's fed into that biochemical pathway that your body uses to make its own hormones, and it causes a disruption, and the body says, must be pregnant. So it stops releasing the egg, so the woman doesn't fall pregnant. So for 3 weeks she takes the pill. And then for 1 week she stops and takes a sugar pill, and the body goes, oh, mustn't be pregnant, choke and bleed. So he gives her something to stop the hot flushes, and it will. It's called hormone replacement therapy. Why does it stop the flushes? Because now the body thinks it's pregnant again. And instead of putting its energies to the skin, it puts its energies in the breasts and the uterus. 6 years later she has a lump. It's breast cancer. Her doctor takes her off HRT immediately. Why? He knows.
Contraceptive pills and hormone replacement therapy, or HRT, are common solutions for managing hormonal issues, but they are not without significant concerns. According to Barbara O'Neill, synthetic hormones can disrupt the body's natural processes, effectively hijacking the intricate hormonal feedback loop. Over time, this interference may suppress the body's ability to produce its own hormones, leading to unwanted side effects like mood disturbances, weight gain, and an elevated risk of health problems, including certain types of cancer. Furthermore, synthetic hormones place additional strain on the liver, the body's primary organ for detoxification, potentially impairing its function. In contrast, natural methods focus on supporting the body's inherent ability to regulate hormones. Herbal remedies such as chast tree or vitex and wild yam help balance the endocrine system gently and effectively. Incorporating dietary adjustments, regular exercise, and stress reduction techniques can also play a transformative role in stabilizing hormone levels. For women nearing menopause, plant-based phytoestrogens found in soy, flaxseed, and other foods offer a softer, more harmonious way to ease the transition without overwhelming the body. Environmental factors also warrant attention. Chemicals in plastics such as BPA can mimic estrogen and disrupt natural hormonal activity. This highlights the need for a comprehensive approach to hormone health that minimizes exposure to synthetic interventions and environmental toxins while promoting natural, holistic strategies for lasting well-being.
So you just do the best you can, have a good look at the clothes you're wearing, go organic as much as possible, get the chemicals out of your home, and this fourth one, to be able to protect yourself from zearalenone, try and cut out the wheat. I don't eat wheat hardly ever. Sometimes if I travel I eat a little, and I can handle it because I hardly ever eat it. If someone's got a health problem, they need to totally stop it. And once they've conquered their health problem, they might be able to have a little now and then. So number one is turning the tap off. Number two, your liver has the ability to detoxify you from environmental poisons. There's the liver.
Opting for organic foods is a proactive step toward safeguarding your hormonal health. Conventionally farmed produce and animal products are often laden with pesticides, herbicides, and synthetic chemicals that can disrupt your endocrine system. These substances can mimic natural hormones, throwing your body's delicate hormonal balance off track and potentially leading to issues such as infertility, weight fluctuations, and even hormone-related cancers. Switching to organic foods minimizes exposure to these harmful toxins, allowing your body's natural processes to work more efficiently. Organic farming steers clear of synthetic chemicals, resulting in cleaner, more wholesome food. Additionally, organic produce tends to be richer in essential nutrients, providing better overall support for your health. This is particularly critical for women, as hormonal imbalances can impact everything from regular menstrual cycles to fertility and menopause transitions. Incorporating a variety of organic fruits, vegetables, and hormone-free meats into your diet, you provide your body with the nourishment it needs without introducing harmful substances. This simple yet significant choice helps maintain a healthy hormonal balance, supporting your overall well-being and laying a foundation for long-term health. Choosing organic foods to avoid hormone-disrupting toxins can also play a role in promoting overall vaginal health and supporting pain-free intimacy. Barbara O'Neill's method for restoring hormonal balance focuses on straightforward, actionable changes that can make a difference within just 2 weeks. The first priority is to cut out processed foods and avoid exposure to harmful chemicals that might interfere with hormonal regulation. Instead, the focus shifts to a diet rich in whole nutrient-dense foods such as fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These provide the essential building blocks your body needs to support hormone production naturally. Stress management is another cornerstone of O'Neill's approach, as prolonged stress elevates cortisol levels, which can disrupt hormonal harmony. Incorporating practices that promote relaxation, like yoga, deep breathing exercises, or meditation, can help counteract this effect. Finally, prioritizing restful sleep and steering clear of stimulants like caffeine is essential. These habits help regulate your body's natural rhythms and create an environment for balanced hormone levels to thrive. By following these steps, you can set the stage for improved health and vitality. Alongside these changes, natural supplements like Anna's Wild Yam Cream, which boosts progesterone production, can help restore balance.
Can hormones be balanced without the wild yam cream? If so, how?
It's not as easy to do it, and it will take a lot longer. The beauty of the yam cream is the fat cells take the diosgenin from the wild yam up, and that immediately starts to bring back the balance. There are some herbs. There's dong quai, there's evening primrose and maca powder, but I have found when women use that, and also chaste tree, there can be a little improvement, but it might take several years to bring the balance back compared to the yam cream, which can sometimes take only 6 months.
Anna's Wild Yam Cream is a natural product containing diosgenin, a compound derived from wild yams that encourages the body to produce its own progesterone. This cream is typically applied to areas like the inner arms, thighs, abdomen, or chest, and is used twice daily for 3 weeks of the month. Unlike traditional progesterone creams, which introduce external hormones into the system, Anna's Wild Yam Cream works with the body to naturally support hormone production. It's often recommended for addressing hormonal imbalances, easing menopause symptoms, and potentially benefiting conditions such as osteoporosis, depression, and sexual health. For best results, consistency is key. Alongside using the cream, adopting dietary improvements, reducing stress, and incorporating natural supplements can lead to noticeable changes in hormonal health within 2 weeks. If you're ready to reclaim your energy and balance, Barbara O'Neill's guidance offers a transformative approach. By focusing on clean eating, stress management, and using supportive products like Wild Yam Cream, you can experience significant improvements in overall health. Take that first step today toward a more balanced, vibrant life. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips.